Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my second Stitch Fix for the month of July. Stay tuned to see what I Now before I open it, if you are new to my channel, I would just like to take a moment to say welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like watching unboxing videos. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, I made a quick 3-minute little video. I will link it right up here above. If you see this little letter I at any point in the video, click on that and it will take you to the video and it will explain the basics of how Stitch Fix works. But if you've never tried it, I do have a referral link and I will leave that down below also. And you will get a $25 credit off your first box and I'll get a credit too. So it'd be a win-win for both of us. So I'd really be appreciative if you do use my link. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and open it. Now I have not opened this box yet. I did make some requests and here's what it looks like when you open your box. It tells you everything you need to know right here if you've never done Stitch Fix, how you try everything on, how you have 3 days, all the basics of everything just in case you're new, and it'll help walk you through the details. Now this is the way it comes. It comes bundled in it, what everybody calls a little burrito. It comes nicely wrapped like this. And I'm a big floral print person, so excuse me, I'm liking what I'm seeing right here. I see a couple floral prints. It looks like something like a nice green. So here is the return label. Anything I don't like, I stick back in this, send it back to the post office, free shipping, no hassles. Then you get your little envelope, and in this little envelope, you have a note from your stylist. Well, no, this is a note from your stylist. And this has everything that's listed in your box and gives you some outfit ideas of how to style each piece. And then your note from your stylist is on here too, which I don't have my glasses, which I will need, so hold on. I'm not gonna read my stylist note, but I do have Val. And on this paper, this is your invoice with everything that's listed on here, your total, and also if they do have a buy all discount of 25% off if you buy the whole box. Now let me get rid of the box over here. And like I said, this is the little bundle. And this first item out looks like maybe an animal print top. And it looks like it has a tie at the bottom, if you can see that. And this is from West Key, which I like. I've always liked West Key items. And this is the Taleen tie front blouse in brown for $44. So very nice, very lightweight. It has a tie in the front, if you can see it right there. Plain in the back. Yeah, this is an animal print, but what kind of animal print is that? Let me know what that is. I don't know. Okay, and the next one out is this, and this is a Fortune and Ivy. Ooh, it feels very nice. I like how soft it feels. This is the Helina mixed material blouse in dark green for $38. What a wonderful price. And it has little, like maybe cap sleeves. Looks like it's rolled at the end, and it is a mixed material. And usually when they say mixed material, it means the front and the back is different, but on this it is not that. It is the same material on the front and the back, but the mixed material is around the arms and the neck. So this looks promising. I love that color, that's very pretty. Okay. Oh yes! I was watching Nancy Brown's latest Stitch Fix, and she has this top, and she loves this so much that she actually got this in several prints. And I thought it looked so pretty on her, and this is one I requested, so I'm glad she was able to send this to me. And this is the Who makes this? I don't even remember. 41 Hawthorne. This is the Jaslinda twisted neckline in the color black for $44. So yay, awesome. And it looks like it has a very nice length on it too. And it has like a little pleating detail right here. And this neckline, I don't know if it's going to show up when I'm holding it up like this, but when she put it on, I just loved it. I thought it was a very beautiful detail. So good, I'm excited about that. Okay, and this one, I looked at the sneak preview on this, and I remember seeing this one, and this is the Sameria cross front knit top in navy for $34. And I recently, I think, Mayor of all trades, if you're watching, was this the same one you got in your recent Stitch Fix? If not, it's very similar if it's not. But yeah, so I'm excited to try that on. And then the last one out is this. And this is a jumpsuit, which I'm excited about. And I love the pattern on this. I love a good halter neckline like that. That's very pretty. And this is also from Market and Spruce. And this is the Jolee cropped knit jumpsuit in navy for $78. Yikes, that's the only thing I don't like about it. I don't like that price tag. But it looks like I might like it. Of course, right? Oh boy, oh boy. All right, so let me go ahead and try everything on, and I'll be right back with the first. Okay guys, I'm back with the first blouse out of the box, and I already had these pair of shorts on, so I thought it would go well with it. So we're gonna start with this. This was the Kaylee crisscross top for $34, and the material is 96% polyester, 4% spandex. And I like the pattern. I like the way it lays. It lays pretty nicely. It lays flat against me. It doesn't hug any areas I don't want hugged. It has this beautiful little crisscross detail right here that I truly appreciate. I do like this detail on shirts. I do have a lot of them though, so I don't know, but I like the way it's fitting me, and I like the casualness of it. It goes down a little bit longer in the back, as you can see. So overall, it doesn't hug any areas I don't like. It's laying nicely. Good price, $34. It's a contender. What do you guys think? Let me know of top number 1 in the comments. Okay, we have 4 tops, so I'll be back with top number 2. Here is shirt number 2, and this is from Fortune and Ivy. But I wanted to make something clear. In the unboxing part of the video, I told you guys something wrong. When I was reading the description on this, it said mixed material. And when I was holding it up, showing you guys, I'm like, no, it's not, it's 1 material. It is 2 materials. I realized it once I was actually putting it on and I felt it against my body. The front is 100% polyester and the back is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So I just wanted to make sure that's clear to you guys in case one of you guys wanted to request this. Now, overall, I like this shirt. I love the color. I think it would pair well with a nice cardigan going into fall. So you could wear it now and wear it a little bit more in the future. So it has potential to go into 2 seasons. It lays nice. The V-neck right here, I'll come in a little closer. It is not too deep at all, and it has these cute little 3-button details right here, and they are covered button details. They're not functional detail or buttons, they're just, you know, decorative. Overall, not a bad shirt. Lays pretty nicely overall. Nothing too tight, clingy at all. Lays nice. So this is a possible contender. So what do you guys think of shirt number 2? Now I'm going to be back with shirt number 3. Okay everyone, I am back with top number 3, and this was the West Key blouse for $44. It has these cute little button details that go down the front, but they're not functional. They are just there for decorative purposes. Along with this, you cannot undo this if you wanted. Overall, first glance, I like this top. I think it fits nice. I like the way it hugs. It doesn't grab anything that I don't like. But with that said, the second I go to raise my arms, it's going to expose my belly. And that is a big no-go for me. I'm not walking through life not being able to raise my arms. So for that reason, this is going to be a no-go shirt, but I just still wanted to show you guys. Overall, not bad. Just needed it to be a little longer, too short-waisted for me. Okay, back with top number 4, and this is the one I requested. This was the one I saw on Nancy Round's channel, which she has several of these shirts because she likes them so much, which I appreciate that because I do that too. If I see a shirt I like, I will buy it in several different colors and patterns if I can. So this is the West Key top for $44, and this was the detail that I was trying to tell you about on the unboxing part. It has a very lovely detail on the neckline there, and I'm wearing a regular bra with this. You do not have to wear a strapless bra, so I thought I was going to have to wear a strapless bra with that. So this is a good win for that purpose too. So overall, not a bad shirt. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a keeper? Let me know down in the comment section. Okay, I have one more outfit, and that is the jumpsuit, and then we'll do the wrap up. I am back with the last item out of the box, and that is this jumpsuit by Markin & Spruce, and this one was $78. Yeah, that was the only thing I don't like about this jumpsuit, guys, is the price tag on this baby. And I like it. I like the jumpsuit, but for $78, I don't know if I love it, you know what I mean? For me, $78 must equal love, and I like it. I like this jumpsuit. I think it's super soft, comfortable, casual, cute for the summer, but I just don't like the price. I think it needs to go down to like $40 and I would have probably bought it. But with that said, let me show you. You do have to wear a strapless bra with it, but that's no big deal for me. It has these cute little pockets right here. It's cropped length, super soft, comfortable. You're not gonna get anything more comfortable than this. You could kick around all day in this and be completely comfortable. But like I said, $78. Yeah, I think it's cute, but I don't think it's worth $78. That's just me. But you guys let me know down in the comment section. Maybe you changed my mind. Now this was the top that when I raised my arms, it showed my belly. So that's going to be a definite no-go. I'm not walking through life afraid to show my or raise my arms. You know what I mean? Life's too short for that. So that leaves me with these 3 tops. And this one, I think I could wear now, and I could go into the fall weather with it with a beautiful little cardigan. I love the deep, rich green color of it. I don't have too many shirts that are this color, so I really did like this shirt. So that's a possible contender. I like the cuteness and the casualness of this for $30-some. I'd probably wear this most days. It's just the blue floral print goes great with some jeans or some capris or a pair of shorts like I had on. So I could get a lot of use out of this for the money. So I really enjoyed these 2 pieces. And I also enjoyed this piece. This is the one I requested. I thought it was cute. I wish I would have put it with some black capris. I think it'd look really cute with some black capris. So with that said, out of those 3 tops, which were your favorites? Let me know down in the comment section. Or do you think I should just keep the jumpsuit? Do you think it's worth $78? So my designer, my stylist is doing a great job. Thank you. She's putting together some great looks for me. And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos from Stitchfix. And if you have not subscribed, I would truly appreciate if you'd hit the subscribe button. And also click on the like button because that would really help me in the YouTube world. And I hope you guys have a great weekend and help a girl out and help me decide what to keep. And until next week, guys. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah.